Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video on business topics. Today we discussed how does blockchain work. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger of transactions that is duplicated and distributed across the entire network of computer systems on the blockchain. Let's see, how does blockchain work? A new transaction is requested. A block that represents the transaction is created. The block is sent to every node in the network. Nodes validate the transaction. Nodes receive a reward for the proof of work. The block is added to the existing blockchain, and that's it. The transaction is completed successfully. Blockchain is used for smart contracts, voting systems, stock exchanges, supply chain management, property ledgers, banking sphere, security payments, and healthcare industry. Blockchain technology helps us maintain a high level of security, hacking threats reduced, faster transactions, and many more. Hope this video helps you know much about blockchain. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.